Today I will show you how to use Jetson TK1, Arduino Uno board, and Arduino motor shell to control the robot. Now let's see how to connect them. Here is a power and network, USB 3 HDMI. What I will use the 5-volt output from the GPIO to power the Arduino board and the Arduino motor shell, and I use 3 other pins to send a command to Arduino board A1 to A3. And now we can see the yellow and the white one are the power from Arduino to board to Arduino motor shade, and then these 3 white, black, blue is to send the signal to the control part. Here, this is the 2 motors power cable, and this one is the input from battery. This battery is 12 volt. So now the power for the motors and separate from the 3 board use 1 power, and the battery only supply the motors. At first, we need to program the Arduino Uno board. See, so now we upload the code program to the board. Okay, it succeeded. Now when we unplug the power, because we will use the power 5 volt from the TK1. Number 1 is 5 volt. And this is ground. Okay, now the power supply, it works, you can see here. So now I will explain that these 3, this number 57, 160, 161. I use these 3 ports to send command to Arduino. Okay. If you want to know more information, you can go to here to see the definition of each port. Here has the image. Let's see, this is my control C++ code. I will use 4 keys. WASD to control go forward, back, reverse, turn left, turn right. Q for stop, 1 for quit program. Okay, now let's compile. Okay, now the port 57, 160, 161 is active. Of course, you can use other ports to program. So now let's control the vehicle, robot. Now let's control. Oh, we need to plug in the battery. Now the battery is plugged in. Okay, so we are testing. Press W here. You press left, sorry, right, left, reverse, and stop. Let's see. I use one to quit the program. Okay. That is, thank you.